Hey everybody, it's Scott from Bones for Sailing, and I'd like to cover something that is, I don't know if it's unpopular or just people are stupid, honestly, when it comes to slowing down when you're going by other boats that are at anchorage, or they're fishing, or doing just, it's just kind of stupid stuff. If you're going by somebody who's sitting stationary and you're not slowing down your vessel, well, if people are sitting there, there's a reason for it, and it really bothers me when people are just blowing by and throwing wakes all over the place. The biggest culprits are the big motor yachts, the people who have more money than sense, and I don't know if they're piloting them boats themselves or if they are just completely lacking water etiquette. I really don't know. Here we have a yacht that's going out right now. And guess what? The guy's not blowing through his throttles. He is, and excuse my voice, I'm 6 years into facial reconstruction, and I have years more to go because of people messing up. It was supposed to be 2.5 years, and that was 7 years ago. So anyway, there's a boater with good etiquette of not blowing up the water and throwing up a huge wake. Please take a lesson from these people. It's a very frustrating topic for me because I've had my TV and my ice maker and a bunch of other stuff that have been thrown across my cabin because people are just not considerate and they just blow through, throwing up enormous wakes. Be safe on the water, everybody.